Hi, I'm Marna.
And I'm Darren.
And this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we just wanted to give you a real quick update and a little information on Winterfest 2026. Yes, we are still planning on having it. However, I was injured terribly last summer, and that took forever to heal, and then December, I was deathly sick. I was really sick. So we are going to have to, what would you call it, reschedule. And we are rescheduling for March 7th, 8th, and 9th. It's still winter till March 21st. I hate to do that, I really do, but time got away and I really couldn't work on it.
Right, and that's the way it is, that's reality.
That's the way it is, yeah.
And we want to do it organized. I mean, we could throw it together in a weekend, but it wouldn't be fun, it wouldn't be as detailed, it wouldn't have all the events and everything else, and that's just, we had so much fun last year, we just want to try and replicate that and improve upon it. And here's Lisa, come to visit us.
Sit on my lap.
Our little farm cat. So we've been filming inside because Marna's been sick and it's cooler out here, and I've been trying to keep her going, but things are going, and now I'm taking advantage of this downtime out here in the studio to do some work out here. So we're kind of winging it today. We just want to show you, tell you that we are still planning on it, just have a new date.
And we will have videos coming up very soon with more details. We just wanted to let you know the dates. It's going to be the same cost, right?
Same cost,
it's
$25.
$25 plus shipping for your goodie bag. It's not cheaper not to buy the goodie bag, so however you want to do that's fine. We will have details. We'll be giving details Thursday night at our live, 6 o'clock Central Time. And we're also going to be doing other videos coming up with more information and details, as well as having information inside of our other videos. So you'll want to get to our channel, watch our videos, and get the information. I'm hoping, what I started to say, is to have the tickets available by next week, so that hopefully by the 19th, but don't hold me to that, so that I can get those in the mail. Darren has made some really cute, fun 3D items for the theme space. That's our theme this time. And those will be ready. And like I said, details to come. We just wanted to give you a little update. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
And see you Thursday night.